India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in infrastructure and utility services, CTS offers the trade of plumbing. From homes and hospitals to hotels, industries, and smart city projects, trained plumbers play a vital role every single day. In this one-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, machines, and real workshop environments. Students learn pipe fitting, water supply systems, sanitation installation, drainage maintenance, testing procedures, and practical troubleshooting using industry-relevant tools and workshop training. After successfully completing training and assessment under CTS, trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across construction companies, hotels, smart city projects, industrial facilities, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. At ITI, Rinku found more than just education. Through practical training, he learned valuable plumbing skills and, more importantly, gained the confidence to believe in himself. Rinku took a bold step forward and started his own business, Rinku House Sanitary Material. What began as a small venture slowly grew through dedication. After more than 20 years of continuous effort, his work is recognized across Mandi. Learn today, lead tomorrow.